Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between TP-Link's Archer A7 and Archer C5400X routers. Let's explore their wireless, security, hardware, and software features to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. The Archer 5400X outshines the Archer A7 with its AC 5400 speeds, offering faster and more reliable connections for bandwidth intensive tasks. With 8 detachable high-performance antennas and advanced technologies like beamforming and high-power FAME, the C5400X provides extensive coverage and robust signal strength, ideal for larger homes. Both routers support tri-band connections and offer multiple working modes for flexibility. 2. Security. Both routers boast robust network security features such as spy firewall, access control, and IP McBinding. However, the Archer C5400X takes security to the next level with TP-Link's HomeCare antivirus, malicious site checker, and port intrusion prevention, ensuring comprehensive protection against online threats. Both routers support VPN servers and various encryption protocols for secure data transmission. 3. Hardware. The Archer 5400X is powered by a formidable 1.8J Z64-bit quad-core CPU, providing unparalleled processing power for demanding networking tasks. It also offers more Ethernet ports with static link aggregation. Additionally, the C5400X features 2 USB 3.0 ports supporting various partition formats and functions for USB storage. 4. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols, parental controls, and quality of service management. However, the Archer 5400X introduces GeForce Now for optimized gaming performance, along with advanced HomeCare parental controls for customizable profiles, content filtering, and time scheduling. Both routers support cloud services, firmware upgrades, and various management options. In conclusion, while the Archer A7 offers solid performance and features for basic networking needs, the Archer 5400X stands out with its superior wireless speeds, extended coverage, advanced security, and enhanced hardware capabilities, making it the ultimate choice for power users and gaming enthusiasts. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay connected.